We don't have the Tesseract. It was destroyed on Asgard. You're the worst, brother.
I assure you, brother, the sun will shine on us again.
We'll never be.